back to the channel. Today we are going to be doing a very special unboxing on a brand new headlight for the BMW F800gs. This is a LED one. You can pick it up on Amazon. I'll have the link down below in the description, from a company called Audexen, A-U-D-E-X-E-N. They were kind enough to send over this for me to take a look at and review. So this is going to be an unbiased video, by the way. They just wanted me to review it so you guys would know about it, so you guys could take a look at it. So get it out of the box. Here it is here. I'm super excited to try this bugger out. Now it's kind of like, if you see my last video, it's like the one I had from Alibaba. But this is a new updated version basically. So it's got a different LED design here, different design for both your high and your low beams as well. So let's get this out of the box, get some close-ups, and let you guys check it out. As you can see, it says it'll fit the F650, F700, and F800. You got your daytime running light, which is a LED strip that we all like, or LED that goes around the outside that we all like. You got your low beam is the dual one here on the left side, and then the high beam is all of them, which turns on this one as well. So it should have built-in cutoffs on it so you don't blind oncoming drivers and stuff. But let's take a look. Alright guys, first thing I'm going to tell you about this is it is heavy. And I mean that in a good way. This bugger does not feel like it's made from cheap plastic at all. It actually feels pretty darn solidly built. Turn up my light a little, as you can see. As you can see, if I tilt it at the right angle in there, you can see that yellow right there. That's your LEDs. So that would be your LEDs for your low beams. Yep, it's got a big square one in there. Might be a little hard to see on camera, but it's got one in there for your high beam as well. So this is a LED headlight. Should be pretty energy efficient on your bike. But oh, we all love that sound. I know we do. Look how shiny that is. It's E24 rated. But yeah, this is a nice looking unit here, guys. But on the back side here, easy peasy. You got your plug-in, just hook it up to your bike, plug it in, and you should be good to go. You got these here, should be little vents where the moisture will vent out of, right here, I do believe. So yeah, and then you got your heat sinks, got your nice big heat sinks on here to dissipate any heat that gets built up from the LEDs and stuff. So I don't know, guys. Overall, this looks like definitely a quality headlight here. Look at that, kind of a 3D look down there on that LED running light that is on there. That is a sharp looking headlight, guys. Okay guys, so I got the cover loosened up on there. Got it ready to come off. I wasn't sure if the whole thing would come off to give you access to everything or what, but I got it off here. Let's take a look. So this is actually, in my opinion, really nice to see. That's just kind of to hold on this plastic here. Or not really hold it on, but yeah. So it looks like it's all, you can see silicone in there. It looks like it's all sealed up pretty darn well. It's a beautiful headlight, guys. I don't know what else to say about it. I'm really glad to see when I pulled that off that this whole thing didn't come off to give you access to those bulbs, actually. That's what I kind of thought might be going on. But yeah, this just pops over, clips into place. Really happy with this headlight for unboxing it here, guys. Hope you like the look at it. I'm going to get this put back on. It just kind of clips into place here. But quality looking headlight, guys. Stay tuned for my video where I show you how to install it. And then we'll get a look at this on the bike and do some tests. See how the cutoff line is, see how bright it is. Compare it with the one I had before from Alibaba. And yeah, just kind of go from there, get an opinion. But initial thoughts are, damn, does that look sexy? That looks really nice, guys. Audexen did a good job. If you guys want to check them out from this video, I'll have a link right down below in the description. Definitely give them a look. They're on Amazon. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Favorite, like, share, and subscribe, and don't miss the next video where I actually install this, turn it on, see what the daytime running lights, low beams, high beams, see what it all looks like. So, alright guys.